Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing DIY boho knotless braids with human hair. So this is my first time doing boho braids, and I love how the results turned out. And the human hair that I'm using is from YWigs, and I'll have all the information on the hair listed below in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out. Now let's get into it. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and blow-dried hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and head to my sister's house because she normally does all my parts just to kind of help me out. And I'm just showing you guys my hair right here because the curls came out cute from the braids that I had them in. But anyways, back to what I was saying. My sister's going to pre-part my hair for me, and I suggest if you guys have like a family member who can part to try and get them to do this for you because it just makes it go by so much faster. I have to fuel up because it's like 11 at night. So I'm going to be using human hair from YWigs in the shades 4, 27, and 30. Those were the 3 bundles that I had. And then I'm going to be using this stretched hair also in 4, 27, 30. I did go ahead and mix the human hair, but that wasn't really necessary. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like right now and how the human hair is with the box braids and just the process. This is like 6 o'clock in the morning. I started at 11 at night the previous night. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add in the human hair. So it's pretty easy. So once you just start braiding like this, you're just going to take a piece of the human hair and just kind of loop it into the braid just like you would if you were just adding in a piece of hair. So for each of the braids, I did about maybe 3 to 5 pieces on each braid, and you can kind of use as much depending on the amount of volume that you want to have with your boho braids. But I feel like 3 to 4 or 5 is a good amount to use, and that's what I use to achieve this look. And then you're just going to go ahead and repeat this whole process throughout your entire head. This took me about 12 hours. I guess it took so long because you had to add in the human hair pieces to your braid, but I really love the results and I love this color combination. Like 42730 just looks so good. I did go ahead and pick out like piece by piece which color I wanted to use if I felt like I needed some more 27 or if I felt like I needed somewhere 30, I would just add those pieces in depending on what it was looking like. So it's up to you which color to use. You just have to go with your preference. But so far so good. I've had this hair in for a couple of days now and it's very minimal shedding. I did not dip them in hot water. I dipped the braid in hot water and then I just wet the hair and then apply a styler to it, and they've held up pretty well. And again, all the information on the human hair will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!